Following on from the last video, sales tax on bills, we've also introduced the opposite version, purchase tax on invoices. So that's sales invoices. What this check does is it looks for where a purchase tax or input VAT tax code has been used on the line item of a sales invoice. In this case, it's within zero. You can see here there's an example of a sales invoice line item that's been given an expenditure, an input VAT tax code in error. So 99.9% of the time, you'll not want to be doing this. Therefore, we're detecting when this incident does occur, because it can happen in bookkeeping packages. We can, for whatever reason, we select the wrong tax code, or maybe we do it like a bit of a find and recode in bulk, and it's adjusted a few in error, that sort of thing. Either way, when these instances occur, this check here will flag them up. And by default, it doesn't check the receive money transaction line items. However, you can quickly toggle on to show any such bank deposits that are using a expenditure input VAT tax code in error. Although sometimes you might legitimately want to be using that sort of tax code for receive items, whereby maybe you're refunding the sort of maybe a purchase or something like that. So hopefully it helps. I mean, if you go to the settings page, you can see what settings you can change as well. Similar to the sales tax on bills that we looked at previously, with the purchase tax on invoice settings, you can also, as we said, check direct bank deposits. So you can see here, you can turn those on permanently for this particular client here, whereby you can always check them. Secondly, you can ignore transactions that have got a value less than a certain amount. And you can also ignore certain contacts of your choosing in this data check, like you can do normally within the data checks. So hopefully useful check. Let us know how you get on with it. Thanks a lot for watching.